Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start with the topic of refraction of light. Let us begin with refraction at plane surfaces first. So first of all, you should know what is refraction. Refraction simply means change in direction of light when it passes from one medium to another. For example, say this is my boundary separating water from air. So this is air and over here there is water. Now suppose a light ray, let me take a yellow monochromatic light ray. Say a light ray is incident. You already know this is called the point of incidence. At the point of incidence I can draw a normal to the surface. Now instead of going straight, what will happen, since the medium is changing, we have air on one side and we have water, the light ray will bend. In this case it will bend towards the normal. You can very well see that my light has bent towards the normal. Okay, now why this bending is happening, let us try to know why this bending of light takes place. See, we know speed of light in air. Speed of light in air, it is approximately 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Air or vacuum, the speed is same. And speed of light in water is slightly less. It is approximately, yes, speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So we see here that the speed is different in air and in water. So we can say water is a denser medium as compared to air. So we can say air is rarer. I am writing here, air is rarer as compared to water, or water is denser with compared to air. Now here we come to know about one special thing. In this case my light ray was moving rarer to denser medium, so it has bent towards the normal. Now let us try to find out what will happen if my light ray will go from denser to the rarer medium. Let us try to draw in the same figure. So this is my incident ray now. The light ray is going from water to air. This is my point of incidence. This is my normal. Now the light ray, instead of going straight, it will bend away from normal. So you have to remember here, whenever light ray goes from denser to the rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal. Now this angle is called angle of incidence, the angle between the incident ray and the normal. And this angle is called angle of refraction, angle between the refracted ray and the normal. Similarly, I can draw my angle of incidence here. This is my angle of incidence, angle between incident ray and the normal, and this is my angle of refraction. So this is how refraction takes place. Now there are certain rules which refraction of light obeys. So let us discuss about those rules. Rules of refraction of light. The first rule is very similar to your rule of reflection, which you have studied already in lower classes. So first rule or first law of refraction, let me call it law of refraction of light, is that the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the refracted ray all lie in the same plane. And what is the second law? The second law says that the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is always constant. So this is my second law. Now you must be thinking, what is the cause behind refraction of light? Just now we spoke about refraction. So what is the cause of refraction? Why refraction of light takes place? Why light ray bends when it moves from one medium to another? The main cause over here is the change in speed of light. The change in speed of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another. This is why refraction takes place.